I had to make it for my Hawaiian friend.
Yeah, there you go. All right. All right, so you're stretching the dough. What's the technique?
I actually have like a hybrid technique. I do kind of half, 3/4 bench stretch, and then the other quarter is generally, it's a gravity stretch. But actually, I have to tell you that your Pepe's video is the one that I learned bench stretch from. And I just take the dough.
That's the gravity stretch there, huh?
Yep, that's gravity. The problem is that this is so high hydration that I can't, you can't spin it like you see in the movies, so to speak.
Right. How much hydration is it?
68. And that's it.
Okay, let's
Nice
do a
and nice.
smile
But get a piece before it gets cold.
I am.
here. Come here, Nancy.
Okay.
Stop. Sorry. You have a wife.
You guys are all going home with a doggy bag too.
Yeah, thank you.
Al, did you ever slice of this?
Not yet. I'll just suck.
Throw the mooch slices on.
All right, so now we're using sliced moots
Yep, slice whole
or
milk mooch.
mozzarella, as the rest of the world knows it.
Correct.
And this is grande cheese.
Correct. Whole milk grande. Sliced nice and nice. Just like the deli. And I take one piece and I fill in the gaps.
Okay. And what are we using for sauce?
This is a combination Cento and 7-Eleven.
Okay. 7-Eleven's a Stanislaus,
Right.
Cento, Italian.
Cento is their own brand,
Yeah.
but I mill it too, and I also take out the tomatoes.
Yep.
So I don't I don't just dump everything in, I just mill the tomatoes.
Okay, so they're
That's how I like it.
whole canned tomatoes.
Correct.
Okay.
Yep.
And then what kind of spices are you putting in there?
The only thing I put in there is oregano and salt.
Okay.
Sea salt, not regular salt.
Yep. And now we're finishing with olive oil.
Olive oil all around. But this is the kicker right here, man. We got this Vermont Smoke and Cure pepperoni.
Okay.
This stuff is out of this world. I slice this myself. I buy the sticks. I like it nice and thin. Put a nice covering of this on here. This is probably between this pepperoni and Ezzo brand, E-Z-Z-O.
Yes.
I haven't had better pepperoni ever than this. Just my opinion.
I like Ezzo, big fan. So I may be a Vermont fan. This is Vermont
Smoke and Cure.
Smoke and Cure. It's a brand.
Correct.
You can buy it at any supermarket here.
Yeah, I mean, I think it's more honestly a New England thing, but obviously with the internet, you can buy, they have their own store.
Yep.
You can go there
Yep.
and buy it there, wherever, it doesn't matter really, particularly where you
Yep.
are. All right, ready to roll, baby.
Okay.
Well, one more thing, secret sauce,
Okay.
pecorino.
So I'm thinking that's kind of what Pepe's uses. Pecorino.
Absolutely.
Yeah. All right.
I always give it a little shake, make sure I'm not going to get stuck. And we throw it in the box.
All right. All right. How long are we going to cook it for?
4 to 6 minutes.
Yeah. We'll see what's going on.
Yeah.
And here's your oven right here. Fire it up. Pizza truck. Fire it up. Okay.
4 Grand Mare, baby.
So, do you put Parmesan in any of your pizzas?
What's that?
You put Parmesan cheese on any pizza?
The only thing I put on is pecorino, which is, similar.
My wife won't touch Parmesan.
Oh, really?
It's not her thing.
Do you like pecorino?
I would think, yeah. Yeah, for years we would order it. They didn't hear her say she can't have it. I said, this is what you do. You call up and say, I have an allergy. If I swallow, I'm dead. And ever since then, when I call up Jimmy's, we pick up for Jimmy's, but we don't.
Yeah, we love Jimmy's.
Good people.
Oh yeah.
Besides good people.
Yep, arm rods. We gotta do a review on those guys. The only one I did so far was Papa's. Naugatuck Ave.
There's in West Haven, as you're heading east on New Haven Avenue, you go right over the line. Welcome to West Haven. On the left side, there's a pizza place.
Salty tomato.
No, it's been there for like over 20 years. You got to turn in on the side.
Okay.
In the front, there's a restaurant. Just before that.
Is it Dominic's?
No, unless they change the name. Just before that ridiculous rotary.
Yeah.
He's in there. And the first thing when you walk in or call to order, is it red or white? Red. You want mooks or no mooks? Then you get to which one you want. First two questions. Oh, that pizza's good too.
So this looks like a white pie.
This is a white pie, moots base. Got some nice sliced potatoes.
Potatoes.
We're gonna throw some bacon on here,
Bacon.
some rosemary,
Oh man.
and let me tell you, man, when we were doing parties, this was the pie that people really like. This and the pepperoni, people like the most.
So how did you prepare the potatoes?
Microwave them, 4 minutes each side. Put them in the fridge, let them get hard. Take them out, put them in a mandolin, and that's what you got.
Yep.
Yeah, there's definitely not rocket science on this. It's just, it just takes a while to get the 4 minutes. I found was the magic number for, kind of a standard sized potato, just white potato. So we throw a little bacon on there. Not a lot, you don't want to overpower with the bacon.
One accent, it's there.
Exactly. Little accent never hurt. Couple small pieces all around.
Now, is this par cooked bacon?
It is. Yeah, you can do the bacon any way you like, but my family and I personally like it par cooked. I don't like raw bacon. That's just me.
And then finishing with olive oil.
Not yet. We're not finished yet.
Okay.
A little olive oil.
That's what I was wanting to see what you were using there.
Just a little
Got to
rosemary.
be a rosemary. Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And then for the final trick, pecorino.
Wow.
There we go. Boom.
Beautiful.
In the oven she goes, baby.
Okay. You give it
Little
a shake. And there it is.
Cook it. I'm going to raise my stamp down there.
Okay, here I am with Frank.
We got the potato and bacon and rosemary, baby.
All right, there it is. It's a beauty.
New Haven style.
Potato, rosemary, and hey, long live the Pizza Gavones. This is all from the Pizza Gavones heart. All right.
Manja.
Can't wait to eat it. Thanks.
You got it.
Albert Grande here. I am here with Frank Zabski, the Polish pizzaiolo and one of the very famous Pizza Gavones. How you doing, Frank?
Good, sir. How are you?
I'm doing unbelievable. You made an incredible amount of fantastic pizzas today. What kind of pizzas did you make for us?
We made traditional moots. We made a Worcester Street or New Haven plain pie with garlic. We made a pepperoni using Vermont smoke and cure. And we made a potato just like Sally's, but we do a little bit different. Instead of using onion, we use bacon. Fantastic.
They were, and they were all in the New Haven Ahbeets tradition. So what was the secret for your making these pizzas?
The heart, passion. You gotta have passion. If you wanna make good Ahbeets, you gotta have passion. It's not a job, it's a love affair.
Okay, yeah, that's the secret ingredient. For
That's
the
correct.
Pizza. Okay, so what's going on with the Pizza Gavones?
Pizza Gavones, we just keep rolling. Thank God for all of our members on our Facebook group, All About New Haven Style of Beats, and our YouTube channel, Pizza Gavones. We keep growing by the day. We're just gonna keep doing more reviews. We're gonna keep giving you guys more DIY New Haven style pizza videos, and just gonna hopefully someday get our own show, you know?
Yeah, there you go. How did you get into pizza, Frank? What was your first early memory of pizza?
The earliest memory that I had of pizza is my dad bringing home to parties. I grew up in West Haven, and he was a local 90 electrician. He used to come home Friday nights. He used to bring Ahbeets, as he used to call it, and he had Ahbeets and these small little bottles of Miller Genuine Draft. So that's my earliest memory of pizza is my dad bringing home pizza from the parties.
Okay. Now, one of the big things about the Pizza Gavones, you guys are experts in Ahbeets. And we were talking earlier, now we love Pepe's, we love Sally's, we love Modern. But there are a lot of other pizza places around, correct?
Correct, Albert. That's a great point that you bring up. And one of the main reasons why we started the Pizza Gavones is to let everyone know about all the other places, because there are a tremendous amount of places throughout Connecticut, and I know that there's also some branches all over the all over the country that are making Ahbeets. But you will be absolutely amazed at the quality outside of those three places right here in Connecticut.
Can we mention some of them? Just shoot some by us, some of the ones that you love.
Some incredible places, and this one is a shame because there used to be the big four: Sally's, Pepe's, Modern, and Grand Ahbeets. Those guys are on the shoreline. We got Tipsy Tomato in Derby. We've got Old World in North Haven, Mike's Ahbeets in West Haven. We're going to do a review in Ernie's in New Haven. I mean, if you want a whole list of the great places we found, go to our YouTube channel. They're all there with all the reviews, but those are just the ones off the top of my head.
Sure. So you guys keep doing a lot of reviews. You're getting a lot of fans. People love what you're doing, so you must be doing something right. Frank, define Ahbeets for me. What is Ahbeets?
Well, traditionally Ahbeets is thin crust with a char or burn around the edge and a leoparding on the bottom. It's fresh Italian tomatoes milled. It's pecorino romano grated cheese. That's really what Ahbeets is, but most importantly, it's made by someone who absolutely loves to make it, and it's not a job. That's the critical component.
Yeah, that is really a good point. I think that's true of any great pizza, is that they love what they're doing. They put part of their heart when they make the pizza.
100%.
Frank, how can people find out more about the Pizza Gavones? Let's get the word out.
All right, so we have a Facebook group called All About New Haven Style of Beats. We've got a Facebook page called Pizza Gavones. We've got a YouTube channel called Pizza Gavones that has all our reviews and DIY videos. And we also lastly have a website, the Pizza Gavones, and we have a bunch of Ahbeets vocabulary words. We've got our reviews there, our videos also, and we have a merch store. So if you want to buy anything that has the Pizza Gavones on it, we've got all kinds of stuff there.
Okay, that's great. Frank, thanks a lot for taking time to talk to me. And really, these were some amazing pizzas you made for us today. Many thanks.
Thank you, Albert, and I appreciate it. I know you came all the way from Hawaii just to see me.
And I'll say aloha.
Aloha.